Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your first affiliate sale using Instagram. So this is a 100% free and beginner friendly method to start your affiliate marketing journey. I will show you the step by step process to get your first affiliate sale. So make sure to watch this whole video before you take any action. So let's start. First we have to pick a niche and select a product. I will use Digistore24 to find affiliate product, but you can use Clickbank, JVSU or any other affiliate marketing program. So in affiliate marketing there has three best niches. Those are dating, love and relationship, spirituality, health and fitness. So I have complete video about how to find high quality Digistore24 product. So feel free to watch that video and learn how to find a quality product. In this case or in this video I will get my product as this metrico supplement. So this metrico supplement related to health and fitness niche. That means we have to create Instagram account related to health and fitness niche. So let's see how we can do it. Basically search on this search bar related anything related to your niche. In my case I will search weight loss tips, and you will see lot of page related to weight loss niche. Then open few of them. I will open the first for result on new tabs. If you promote product related to love, dating and relationship, just search love advice or love code. So then you will get page related to your search term. So now I have 4 Instagram account to get inspiration and create my own Instagram account. So you can basically check all of those Instagram page and identify the strength and weakness of those bio sections. So in this case this bio section is really good. So basically go to your profile and click on edit profile. Then you can add your affiliate URL here. So you can copy this affiliate URL and paste it on here. Before you paste this URL you can go to link shortener and short the link. To do that, search on Google link shortener. Then you will get this bit.ly URL shortener tab. Basically click on it and paste your URL here and click on shorten. Then you can copy the URL and paste your URL in here. Also you can get the content from this bio section and put that information in here. So now your Instagram account is ready and now you have to share some content. To do that, go to those accounts that related to your niche and find the most engaging content. So if you hover over the post you will see the engagement of those posts. So this post has 5k engagement or 5k likes, and this is a video. This post has 4k likes. So open it new tab and open this one in new tab too and scroll down. Okay, this one has 6k. So basically find the viral content of those Instagram profiles. I will go to the next Instagram profile and check the viral content on that Instagram account too and select some viral content. After you select those viral content, you can reconstruct those content via software like Canva, or you can repost this content and give credit to this Instagram profile. So basically try to find viral content and repost or reconstruct those content, then post it on your Instagram profile. When you post it on your Instagram profile, let me show my Instagram profile, you have to add tags related to your niche. So if we go to this Instagram post and scroll down the description, there has tags. So enter lower than 30 tags to your post, and if you repost the post, give credit to the owner of that post. As example, this post I reposted, so I add credits for the post to respective owners, reposted from and the post owner name. So this is the way to find content, and you don't need to post those content day by day. You can basically schedule your post for whole month. To do that, you can go to Facebook Creator Studio. I will put a video URL to set up your Instagram account with Facebook Creator Studio. So I already did it with my account. I will show you how it looks. Here is my Creator Studio account that config with my Instagram profile. So in here I schedule a post for next month. As I told before, I will put the video URL. Just watch that video, watch that YouTube video and find out how to create your Facebook Creator Studio account and config it with your Instagram page, then repost that content. Okay, now you have to post content at least 2 times per day. In this account I post content 3 times per day, so you can post between 2 to 5 times per day on your Instagram profile. Also add stories, add daily stories to your Instagram profile. Now we need to make our first sale fast. After we do this early step, we will not get much traffic at first because we have to build audience around our account. So it will take time to build audience, but there has cool strategy to drive traffic to our Instagram profile and make Instagram sales. The first step is search hashtag related to your Instagram account niche or related to your Instagram account. To do that, you can go to the page related to your Instagram account and click on that page. After that, you can scroll down. In here you will see hashtag that related to your niche or related to your Instagram account. So click on those hashtags, then you will see the top post on that hashtag. So you can click on those posts and add some valuable comment or add some comment related to this Instagram post. Also you can check other people's comment and reply for those comment. Basically you can read this comment and reply to that comment. Also you can add some like to that comment. When you add comment and like to those comments, they will get notification. So let me show it. They will get notification like that. Then they will click on the profile and they will redirect to your Instagram profile. So at first they see the bio section of your Instagram profile and you have high quality bio section that attract people and you have your affiliate URL. So they will click on that affiliate URL and if they interested about product that you promote, they will definitely buy that product from your affiliate URL. That means you will make the sale. So if you promote this metric or product and make at least one sale, you will earn $129. So this is the easy way to make money. Also if someone asks question, you can reply to that question and give value to that person. Then if that question interested them, they will definitely check out your profile. Also as I told before, you can check those comments and go inside that profile. If that account is a public one, you will see their Instagram post, so you can like those posts and add some valuable comments. So do that for few times like this and then they will get the notification and they will definitely come to your Instagram account. This is the easy way to get traffic to your Instagram profile and your affiliate page. Also you will be able to make followers for free by doing this method, because if they interacted with your competitors account, that means they interested in your niche. So if they see the quality post on your Instagram profile, they will definitely follow you and engage with your content. So this is the easy method, but you have to do this for consistent. If you have a mobile phone, this will be way easy to follow this method. So don't spam and don't say check out my profile. Just give value and they will definitely check your profile. So there has hard work. I mean you have to keep doing consistently this method. Basically you have to spend few hours on Instagram to see the result and gain sales. So I hope this video will help you and you will be able to make affiliate sales. Also if you can create a funnel to grab their emails, you will be able to promote products to those people again and again. So I hope you get valuable information. If you like this content, make sure to like it and comment. Also if you want more content related to this type of method, make sure to subscribe this channel and I will see you in next video.